Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to block Facebook account. So before I start, please subscribe to the channel, it helps out a lot. So first, what I want to do is open up Facebook, and from there I can just tap on any account or profile. So let's say this person, and from there I want to click on the three dots and basically click block. And as you can see, if I block this person, they won't be able to see my posts, tag me, invite me to events or groups, start a conversation with you, add you as friend, and if you're friends, it will unfriend them. So then just click on block, and that would be it. You have successfully blocked that Facebook account. If this video helped me out, let me know in the comments down below, and also like this video. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.